Hi, kids. Welcome back to Scratch Programming for Kids. Today we are going to learn something very exciting, the sensing block in Scratch. These blocks help our sprite ask questions, get answers, and even interact with us. Let's explore step by step. Step 1. Ask a question. From the sensing category, drag. Ask what's your name, and wait. This block makes the sprite ask a question. For example, the cat will ask, "What's your name?" And it will wait until you type your answer. Step 2. Store the answer. Now add the answer block. This block stores whatever the user types. So if you type Ali, the sprite remembers Ali as the answer. Cool, right? Step 3. Use the answer in a sentence. From the looks block, add. Say, "Hello answer," for 2 seconds. Now the sprite will say, "Hello Ali," if you typed Ali. Sprite will say, "Hello Ali," if you typed Ali. That's how sensing makes our program interactive. Step 4. Add more fun. You can ask anything. What's your favorite color? How old are you? And then use the answer block to make your sprite talk back. Example, cat asks, "How old are you?" You type 10. Cat says, "Wow, you are 10 years old." Step 5. Connect with operators. The sensing block becomes even more powerful when we mix it with operators. For example, if you ask, "What's your name?" and the answer equals Ali, the sprite can say, "Welcome back, Ali." This is how we make smart programs that respond differently depending on what the user types. Closing. Great job. Today you learned how to use ask and wait block, how the answer block stores user input, how to combine it with looks and operators for interactive projects. Now you can make your sprite talk to people like a real character. Try making your own Scratch quiz using the sensing block. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love coding.